Bison hides begin their journey in open environments, valued for their thickness and durability.
The dense grain of bison hide is what makes this leather exceptionally strong.
Certified facilities receive raw hides under controlled conditions.
Each hide is logged for traceability and quality control.
Initial inspection ensures only suitable hides move forward.
Thickness measurements determine the leather's final use.
Sorting creates consistency throughout production. Automation improves efficiency and safety. Strict hygiene standards protect both workers and materials. Now, the hides enter wet processing. Industrial washers remove surface impurities.
Water pressure cleans without damaging fibers.
Soaking restores flexibility to the hides. Controlled solutions stabilize the hide structure.
Computers regulate every variable.
Mechanical steps prepare hides for tanning. Rinsing removes remaining residues. Water is filtered to meet environmental standards. Rollers create a uniform surface. Uniform thickness ensures consistent quality. Final checks conferred readiness for tanning. The tanning phase begins. These drums transport hides into leather.
Careful loading into tanning drums.
Even loading prevents defects.
The process is sealed and controlled. Rotation ensures deep penetration.
Timing determines strength and color.
Color consistency is engineered here.
The hide is now leather. The grain becomes deeper and stronger. Drying stabilizes the leather structure. Airflow prevents cracking. Moisture levels are constantly checked. Softening improves comfort and flexibility.
Strength and flexibility combine here.
Buffing refines the finish. Clean air protects quality. Finishes enhance durability. Color precision defines premium leather.
Heat locks in protection.
Cooling prepares leather for inspection.
Only the best sections are used.
Panels are cut with precision. Automation improves accuracy.
Panels await production.
Edges receive final refinement.
Polishing adds durability.
Only approved grades move forward.
This leather meets premium standards. Now, products take shape. Skilled hands define craftsmanship. Durable footwear is assembled. Precision ensures uniform sizing. Hardware adds strength and style.
Quality control never stops.
Brand identity is stamped. The final products are complete. Presentation matters. Products are tracked globally. Storage preserves quality.
Global distribution begins here.
Products ship worldwide. Bison leather reaches international markets.
In stores, craftsmanship is on display. The strength can be felt.
The factory continues production daily. Skilled labor powers the process. From raw hide to premium leather, the journey is complete.